Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you have ever been locked out of Facebook, had a post removed, or just need help with something that won't let you log in this video I will show you all the real ways to contact Facebook customer support, what works, what does not, and how to do it fast. So let's dive in. First step is use help and support or report a problem. For that, open your Facebook app, tap on this profile icon at the top right, scroll down and go to help and support. And then tap report a problem. Describe your issue clearly. Attach screenshots if you have them. For many users, this is the first and often easiest way. Second step is email the right address. If your issue fits a specific category, use one of the Facebook support emails. support@fb.com for general issues, appeals@fb.com for appealing content, disabled@fb.com for account disabled or compromised, abuse@fb.com for report abuse or violation of standards, data requests@fb.com for data access or privacy requests, and ip@fb.com for intellectual property. And if you're not getting a response, try messaging official Facebook or Meta pages with proof of your problem, or tweeting to @Meta or @Facebook. Sometimes this helps if support is slow or buried. Also, always follow up your initial message, referencing what you already said so they don't have to request the same info again. So there you have it, the verified methods to reach Facebook support via report a problem, email, phone, or business support, chat if you're eligible, and social media backups. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.